I was thinking to download and install VMware Player on my home computer. I was also planning to install Windows Server and Windows 10 on it as virtual machines. You can just follow this example I show you here, and you can create this virtual lab using your own computer and have several virtual machines on it. That way you can test out the network and build your own basic network, test out different group policies and such in the Windows Server. So if you follow my example, you can do it for free. And what you need to do is to enable Intel VT and AMD V virtualization concerning what main card you have on your computer. And this is enabled in BIOS, and you can make a Google search about how you do it on your machine. So when you follow these links, it will lead you to where you can download the software you need, like Windows Server 2016. What we will download is the ISO image. I do think you have to sign in on a Microsoft account. If not, if you don't have one, you can just create one. It's for free. And the next you just choose continue, add some information here, continue, and download this image and store it. And you have to use that later, add it to the VMware Player to install the virtual machines. The same, you can find a link to Windows 10, and you just do the same, download the ISO, add the information, choose continue, and download the ISO. VMware Player, you can just download. You just go to download section and you choose this Workstation Player. It's for free, and choose the right product for your machine. For me it's Windows, so I will download. I use Windows 10 Pro. Concerning the installation, I will install it on my C drive, because you can store the different machines separately on other drives as you like. So, but I have a SSD on my C drive, so I will use it. It will have good speed. You have to accept the license agreements. You can add this enhanced keyboard driver if you like. I think I will do so. You can join the VMware customer experience if you like it. I don't want it right now, and I want some shortcuts on my desktop, and just choose install. After this install is finished, it will ask you to reboot. So this was the first episode, just showing you where you can download this workstation player from VMware, and how you can download the software from Microsoft that is free, so you can build this without any cost.